Commissioner, the thinker has escaped.
Let's talk self-love, shall we? Not the hallmark kind, not the soft-focused daydreams they sell you between commercials. No, I mean the kind that makes people uncomfortable, the kind that doesn't ask permission to exist. You want to love yourself? Start by disappointing everyone who benefits from your self-hate. Your ex, your boss, your bullies. Burn it. Rip out its tongue. It was never yours to begin with. They gave you that voice so you'd stay small, so you'd apologize for breathing too loud, so you'd never realize that your flaws are just scars that healed the wrong way, but healed nonetheless. You want improvement? Then bleed for it. Sweat for it. Stare at the version of yourself you've been avoiding and say, "I'm not scared of you anymore."